So we know that psychological safety is foundational to performance at the level of an individual, team, and an organisation. And that a big part of that is that we don't function well in a state of fear, and we can have a discussion around the paradox, and maybe we need a little bit of anxiety to perform at our best. But the reality is, when we've got a fear response going on, we focus on the problem, not solution. We have all sorts of behaviours that are not supportive. So what we want to do is create job support and security. People need purpose, the sense of meaning we discussed in the early stages, job control, autonomy, and they need empowerment.